Word up. Yep. Word up. 1, 2. Word up. Ready. Yay, that was, no, okay, whatever. Oh, that's why, okay.
What did they sound good? What did they sound good? So you guys sounded good the other day. What were the tunes that sounded good?
Kids Aren't Alright.
Let's do something like that. Pick the tunes that you guys.
You want to talk to her? She's choosing the stuff. I'm just calling it out.
Agreed. Karen, kids are all right. What was good last time? Kids are all right. You guys, what was sounded good last time? Who was here?
I don't remember. I'm fine with title.
What sound was tunes?
Kids was fine.
Okay, let's do kids. That was good.
Sorry. All right, folks.